In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the full process step by step using the Teams web interface. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an event inside a community channel, customize the details, and share the meeting link with others. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and go to the main chat area. This is usually what you see when you first sign in, and it's the starting point for navigating to the rest of Teams. Next, look for the option called Communities in the left-hand menu and click on it. Communities are group spaces where you can chat, share files, and of course, schedule meetings. Once you're in Communities, choose the specific channel where you want to host your meeting. In this example, we'll use a channel named Channel 1, but you'll select the channel that makes sense for your team or group. Inside that channel, you'll see various options and icons near the top or within the message area. Look for the highlighted option that opens the event or calendar tools for that channel and click it. This will bring up the scheduling interface. From here, click on Create Event. This is where you'll set up the actual meeting details. You'll see fields for the event name, date, time, and possibly location or description. Click into the highlighted title field and type in a clear, descriptive event name like Weekly Project Sync or Team Stand-Up. A good title helps attendees instantly understand what the meeting is about. Then use the highlighted date and time fields to choose when your meeting will start and end. Make sure you adjust the time zone if needed, especially if your team is spread across different regions. You may also see options to make it a recurring event, add a description, or choose settings like whether attendees can present or just view. Continue clicking through the highlighted options to confirm things like the correct community or channel, any additional settings, and the audience for the event. Take a moment to review everything so there are no surprises later. When you're happy with the setup, click Send. This creates the meeting and posts it to the channel so members can see it and join. After sending, you'll see an option to copy the meeting link. Click Copy so you can share this link in emails, calendars outside Teams, or other chat tools. When you're done, click Close to exit the event window. Finally, navigate back to your channel, such as Channel 1, to confirm that the meeting event now appears in the conversation stream. Your Teams meeting is now scheduled and ready for participants to join.